What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the FitMenCook Kitchen. Today we are kicking off the video by joining my friends over at Chobani in celebrating 10 years of providing better food for all people. As a way to say thank you, they're doing two things. The first thing is that they are trying to give away yogurt to as many people as possible for free. That's right, for free 99. All you gotta do is click that link below in the description box to find out how you can go and get you some free yogurt games. And the second thing is that they sent me this Wonderbox. The only instructions are I have to open this up on camera live, and I gotta tell you, I don't know what's inside, so we're gonna find out right now. First thing, here is a letter that I have to read first. So, dear Kevin, once upon a time, we dreamt of better food for more people. So here's a box, a journey, a thanks, pull the ribbon, it peels like fruit, begin where it says begin. Oh, so there is this part. In 3, 2, 1. How cool is that? My dog has been sniffing around this box for the longest, and he's been trying to figure out what's inside. Come on. We're gonna go on a little bit of an adventure. Look at the guy backpack. Oh, I think they made me. I'm not sure if y'all can see this, but there's a guy in an orange shirt, a black guy, and then a black lab dog. I think they actually made us. Max, come here. That is dope. And with a simple spoon, you can eat. From a bowl you fill until it spills over with the good and the natural and the sustaining Chobani yogurt. This is almond butter, real honey, and smoked almonds. And there's a gift, an invitation to keep your bowl full. Chobani loves gifts. It's nice, isn't it? They made us. Come on. And then the last one, and to fill the bowls of others. They are making it rain yogurt coupons. So y'all be sure that you click the link below so we can all make it rain some coupons and some free yogurt games. And it leads me right into today's recipe, a spiced curry coconut granola, so you can spice up your mornings with some Greek yogurt. Check it out. First, crack an egg and remove just the egg white. Whisk until peaks form like white foam. Toss in pecan pieces, chopped cashews, milled flaxseed, coconut flakes, and almond slices. Then mix turmeric, smoked paprika, cinnamon, and curry. Sprinkle it in, followed by a little agave. Mix it up so everything is covered, then empty the contents on a baking tray lined with parchment. Spread it out, but pack it in. Then bake for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350. Allow it to completely cool, then break it apart. Store this high energy goodness in an airtight container for about 1 month. Enjoy this in the morning or whenever you need a pick-me-up with some creamy Greek yogurt. All right, y'all, that is it for today's video. I hope that you all genuinely enjoyed it as much as I did. Hats off to Chobani on 10 amazing years of providing better food for all people, and also for this amazing Wonderbox. And what I love about this too is that it's in a forest. It looks like people are actually on some sort of excursion and they are discovering there's activity here. Every day it's something new, that we're always discovering a new food, a new activity, a new form and way to challenge and stretch our bodies so that we can live our best lives yet. So enjoy this granola. I know that you're gonna love it. It's the perfect blend of spice, perfect blend of sweet as well, especially for those who are on a lower carb diet. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, I want y'all to keep it healthy, but of course, never, ever boring. Ooh! Bye. Enjoy the yogurt, y'all. Yep. You want some?